Adding a Payoneer account to TikTok is a straightforward process that enables you to receive payments for your TikTok activities, such as sponsored content or live gifts. Here's how to do it. Log into your TikTok account. Open the TikTok app and sign in with your credentials. Access your profile. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Go to Settings. Click on the three dots in the top right corner to enter the settings menu. Select Wallet. Scroll down and select the wallet option. This is where you manage your payment settings. Add payment method. Tap on Add payment method. You should see options for linking different payment methods. Choose Payoneer. Select Payoneer from the list of available payment options. If Payoneer is not listed, you may need to check if your account is eligible for this payment method. Enter Payoneer details. Follow the prompts to enter your Payoneer account details, including your Payoneer email and any other required information. Confirm. Once you've entered your details, confirm the connection to complete the process.